Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to showcase the best shortwave radios available in 2023. If you're a radio enthusiast or someone looking to explore the world of shortwave listening, you've come to the right place. We've researched and tested numerous models to bring you our top picks for exceptional performance, reliability, and features. So, without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the best shortwave radios of 2023. Number 1. The TETRAKI 115 portable radio is a versatile and compact device that offers all the features you need. It supports FM, AM, SW bands and has 3 recording modes, making it perfect for recording music or talk shows. The built-in microphone allows you to record external sounds as well. With its automatic search function, you can easily find and store nearby stations. The radio also supports preset stations and offers multiple language options. Despite its small size of 4.7 by 3.1 by 0.8 inches, it packs a punch with its digital bass and the ability to play MP3 format music. The rechargeable battery and support for TF cards make it a great travel companion. Number 2. The TETRAKI Tyrone 110 radio is a versatile and feature-rich portable receiver that caters to radio enthusiasts and outdoor activity enthusiasts. With its full band coverage, including FM, MW, SW, CB, AIR, VHF, UF, and WX, it provides a wide range of options for radio reception. The addition of shortwave SSB brings a unique experience. The radio offers various functions, such as weather alert, DSP digital demodulation technology for improved reception, and the ability to store up to 1,000 stations. The high-quality sound and included earphones enhance the listening experience. The LCD display provides ample information, and features like alarm clock and sleep timer add convenience. The rechargeable battery lasts for about 7-8 hours and is replaceable. The radio's compact size, hand strap, and back clip make it easy to carry around, making it suitable for various situations like home, camping, and off-road activities. Number 3. The XH-Data CU-AT D808 portable digital radio is a versatile and user-friendly device that offers a wide range of radio reception options. With FM stereo, MW, LW, SW, SSB, and airband capabilities, it provides high sensitivity and good selectivity. The radio adopts DSP technology, enhancing receiver sensitivity and reducing interference. It covers a global FM reception range and offers independent reception of upper sideband and lower sideband signals. The radio features multiple station search methods and can store up to 500 frequencies. With its compact size and built-in speaker, it's convenient to use. The timing boot and sleep timer functions add to its versatility. Number 4. The Acer TEF 6686 radio receiver is a powerful and versatile portable device. It offers FM, MW, shortwave, HF, and LW band reception with a clear and easy-to-read 3.2-inch LCD display. The rechargeable 5,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance. The radio comes with the latest firmware v1.21, ensuring optimal functionality. The sleek silver metal case not only provides durability but also adds a touch of elegance. With a built-in speaker and antenna, you can enjoy your favorite radio stations with excellent sound quality. Made by Acer in mainland China, this radio is a reliable and feature-rich choice for radio enthusiasts. Number 5. The Texan PL330 FM radio is a portable and versatile radio receiver that covers LW, SW, and MW bands, including single sideband reception. It comes with the newest firmware version 3306 and includes an English manual for easy operation. The radio is powered by a BL5C battery, which is included in the package. It also has a USB 5-volt DC power supply option. With a wide frequency range, it covers FM, LW, MW, and SW bands, allowing you to tune into various stations. The FM frequency range differs based on the region, ensuring compatibility worldwide.